world-class quality education with Islamic orientation. This is the main distinction of Insight International School. The school nurtures dreams. Every insider dreams to attain the optimum heights. They dream to become global leaders. The mornings start with an energizing and inspiring assembly, where young insiders start their day with beautiful prayers, inspiring life, showcasing talents, sharing their knowledge.
Insight International School has been established with a vision. Here we are envisaging a unique blend, that is the blend of quality international education with Islamic values, or rather Islamic orientation. By international education we mean the education that follows the latest international standards, where the world-class methodologies are adopted to make children independent and confident learners, where the infrastructure and facilities provided of world standard, where students are exposed to international competitions, international scenario, international partnerships, and where instead of the usual chalk and talk method, the latest technology, the latest pedagogical methods and other tools are adopted.
To fulfill this noble vision, Insight has successfully developed the world-class infrastructure. All classrooms are air-conditioned. All classes are equipped with smart boards and other sophisticated technologies, and a huge collection of multimedia teaching resources.
I love my school because I enjoy learning here. My teachers take good care of me and teach me about whole lot of things. I enjoy swimming and playing table tennis. Sometimes our class goes to ground where we play various running games, tug of war, etc. In class I see videos on the smart board that help me understand the concepts better.
I love building blocks. I love Allah Ta'ala.
Here at Insight, we are providing medical facilities and counseling facilities also. We have a team of regular doctors, children specialist, dentist and ophthalmologist, etc. And in addition to that, a counseling section has been established by us, where a professional counselor helps students, teachers, parents and other staff members in maintaining a good atmosphere in the school. Regarding the physical development of the students, we are trying to provide many facilities like games and sports, indoor games, and we have a swimming pool also. And here it's really a big task for us to train our teachers Islamically and to get them aligned with the standards of the school. Alhamdulillah, during last few months, every Saturday we organize teacher training programs.
Insight has an excellent resource center, well-equipped laboratories. indoor games, swimming facilities, and all other amenities necessary for a world-class education.
I want to tell to the children here that how lucky you are to have such institutions, such teachers, such parents who are spending their time and their money and who want to see you succeed in your life as good Muslims, as good citizens of this country and as good human beings.
I love coming to school daily. I enjoy making projects and presentations. I also like doing research and collect information on various subjects. We have many labs in our school to improve our studies like arts, computers, science and maths.
Insight staff is selected after many rounds of interviews, and they all are experienced and highly competent teachers. They regularly go through a wide range of training programs for implementing the unique vision of Insight. Islamic orientation and Islamic education is the unique feature of Insight.
Insight International School follows curriculum prescribed by the Cambridge Board. The Cambridge International Syllabus is internationally recognized. It helps develop learners which are confident, responsible, reflective, innovative and engaged. The students at Insight International School also have the advantage of learning a truly international syllabus for Islamic studies by Iqra Foundation of Chicago. Another unique feature of our school is that Arabic is taught from pre-primary. We also have a leadership enrichment program called Acorns to Oaks, designed especially for the development of the students into reflective thinkers with strong ethical grounding.
At Insight, students learn Arabic right from PPL. They also have exhaustive but highly reputed and tested syllabus of Islamic studies. Insight teachers are trained to teach all subjects with firm grounding in Islamic principles and values. They are also trained to work for the all-round development of the personalities of children and particularly for their character development.
There are three unique aspects in the school. The first thing is the teaching staff. The teaching staff, along with the technology that you're using, concentrates individually on each and every child, and the technology helps to grasp things better. So both of these make the learning process easier for the child. And the last thing is the counseling department over here. You can take their help for monitoring your child's behavior. They give very good advice in that regard.
Insight has partnership with many international organizations. Educomp is our technology partner and provides the electronic contents. Iqra International Educational Foundation, Chicago is our Islamic education partner.
Alhamdulillah, at Insight International School, we have best educational consultants who are providing services to us. Especially we have Educom, Iqra, and the process is going on with CIE and British Council, and we are doing our best to provide the best services.
We are working for affiliation with Cambridge International Examinations. We are also in process for getting International School Award of British Council. Apart from this, we are partners with some reputed schools across the globe for student-to-student interaction. Insight believes that learning is a creative process and it should stretch much beyond the classrooms and set syllabus. Insighters are motivated to employ their creative energies in as many diverse areas as they want. They have exclusive hobbies and creative centers. They are encouraged to participate in competitions and Olympiads. They regularly interact with outstanding heroes from different walks of life. Insight also believes that complete personalities need much more apart from knowledge and mental excellence. Students gather for congregational prayers and participate in a wide range of Islamic activities.
With comprehensive curriculum encompassing co-curricular activities, state-of-the-art classrooms equipped with latest technology, and dedicated staff members, we ensure that students develop a well-rounded personality so that they become constructive contributors to the society and world at large. We also have robust processes in place, for example, the academic audit, staff appraisals, etc., periodically during the academic year to review and upgrade the standards of education.
Insight has exclusive setup for psychological counseling. A trained and experienced psychologist deals with the issues of the students and counsels students, teachers and parents.
I counsel the children, parents, teachers. Counseling means to make people comfortable with their everyday life and make their life much more comfortable and keep them going. For children, counseling means to make them understand the values of life and make them better students.
Well, we actually moved from UK, London to India, and when we moved to India we were very concerned about the education of our children. But once we joined this school, I'm glad to say that children got settled very well and very quickly within a short span of time. And the school has a good infrastructure, modern teaching methods, and teachers are good, quite friendly, and they are open to any discussions. And the very good thing about the school is whenever we came up with any suggestions or any complaints, they have taken it on board very quickly and they have come back to us with answers, and very happy about this one. And children got settled very well.
Parents are the active partners at Insight. They get regular mails, SMS and web reports. They are welcome to volunteer their time for school, and an active and dynamic website facilitates regular parent-school interaction. All these facilities are housed in a well-designed and comfortable building with pleasant interiors and all the facilities for the ease and comfort of the learners. Insight International School, Sheikhpet, has been exceptionally successful in the first year of its functioning itself and has gained the love and trust of the people and parents. So, don't compromise. Seek the best of both worlds. Your child needs both talent and character. Allow him the chance to get groomed at Insight so that he can contribute something valuable to humanity and lead the world to a better change.